Congratulations on becoming an FES Protection Plan member. We're excited that you said yes and took action towards restoring, rebuilding, and resetting your credit history. You're no longer part of half of Americans that don't know their credit score. I want to set your expectations. If you have bankruptcies, tax liens, repossessions, foreclosures, or government loans on your profile, that is considered severe credit. Therefore, you're looking at a time frame of 8 to 12 months for those items to be removed. However, since we dispute all negative items across all 3 credit bureaus simultaneously, you can see results within 30 to 90 days. Many clients do. And I personally have clients that had bankruptcies removed within 90 days. However, most people see major results between 3 and 6 months. As long as you remain a member for 3 months or longer, you will no longer be a part of the 65% who have no will, the 82% with no trust, or part of the 71% with no medical or financial power of attorney. As a real estate broker, I understand the importance of the My Care plan and those documents. Next to homeownership, this will help you towards building wealth and protecting a legacy for your family and generations to come. Here's a special offer from my company, CLJ Realty Group. If we represent you to purchase your next home, we will credit you $1,000 towards the close of escrow. Contact us for a free buyer's consultation at 949-299-1969. Once again, congratulations and welcome to the membership.